Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 31st December 2021. So today is New Year Eve. So what we have cooked especially for New Year Eve, my mom cooked steamed rice and very special fish curry. This is our local lake fish which my mom purchased this morning from our local nearby market. You can see the steaming hot curry over here, and this is my Arttdinox brand, very good quality stainless steel plate, and I'm gonna serve the fish, fried fish over here. You can see how the fish is looking really nice, the fried fish, and yeah, and this is the curry I've already served over here in our Korea brand plate, and this is the UAE, made in UAE bowl, stoneware, very good quality, and you can see how it's looking really nice. It's not only looking nice, it's gonna taste nice as well.
Happy New Year, good